I got a new shelf design for you guys that sound like crazy. I'm going to show you how to build it.
Pow.
I bought a couple 8-foot 1x6s at Lowe's this morning, and we're going to start cutting these pieces out of this. I need 2 20-inch pieces and 4 18-inch pieces. And we're going to take 2 of the 18-inch pieces and we're going to trim them down to 4 3/4 on the table saw. Okay, we're going to take some TB3 for all you pros out there, and we're going to glue and nail it to one end of the 20-inch piece. We're going to take one of the not skinny 18-inch pieces and we're going to nail it to the other end of the 20-inch piece. And we'll do the same for the other set of wood. So we're going to take the remaining part of our other 1x8 and we're going to cut 2 30-inch pieces. Okay, now we're going to cut these 2 pieces into 1 1/4 strips. Okay, before we put the shelf together, we are going to go ahead and paint and stain the pieces. The big U-shaped pieces we're going to paint black, and the thin slabs we're going to paint or stain golden oak. Sorry. Okay, now we're going to stain the slats with golden oak. Be a really good looking combo. Okay, all the paint is dry, the stain and the sealer are dry, we can start putting this thing together. This space and this space are both 2 inches from each other. From the top to the bottom inside is 30 inches. So we're going to start placing, there it is, glue booger. Start placing the slats in on the 2 outside edges with a little glue.
That's why the other pieces were shorter, right? So
Yeah,
they look like flush.
that's right. So we're going to line up the bottom with this outside corner. Nail in it. Just bump those around. I need to make sure they're 2 inches still. and work our way up. Alright, so we'll go to this other outer edge. I'll do the same thing. Alright, now we'll find the center between these two, 6 and 11/16.
Do you have a dad joke for us today?
I do. Why do melons have weddings?
I have no idea.
Because they cantaloupe.
That's bad.
Terrible. These are all awful, awful jokes.
The funny thing about
Yeah.
dad jokes is terrible.
They are terrible. Alright, now we'll find the center between these two. That's 3 inches. It should be 3 inches. Alright. Same deal. Make one trip.
Okay, guys, here's the finish
Here
shelf.
it is.
Looks like I'm in jail.
This was a fast one.
Yes.
Very quick, very inexpensive. And I'm going to tell you guys a little insider info. This was an AI designed project.
Yep.
That's a great place to find ideas.
It is.
Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. In fact, we might do more hypothetical AI projects in the future to see if they work, and this
Yeah.
one did work.
It did. It's really cute.
It is. Not very much in materials and not very long to make it.
You could make this to hang outside for plants, or inside for plants, or knickknacks, or pictures, whatever, wherever.
Yep.
What was our cost in it?
Hang on, I'll tell them the back. I'm gonna put hangers on these two right here,
Yep.
so they're spaced apart. You can do that however you want, but that's how we're doing it. Sorry. 2 8-foot 1x6s. 2 8-foot 1x6s. They were $9.70 or something a piece. So
like $20.
$20 in wood.
You guys price it and
Yep.
sell it for whatever you want. We're not going to give you a price because
People don't like when I give a price
So,
because
figure it out, I guess.
they think it's unrealistic.
Yep.
So figure it out.
Yeah.
But we're going to be putting these on definitely on Wayfair, and they're going to go crazy.
Yes, they are.
So,
and they're easy to ship. You just put it in a
are.
box and send it.
Put it in a 30 by about a 30 by 22 box.
Yep. Stuff it with paper, whatever, your packing stuff, and call it good.
Yep. So here it is.
Well, we hope you guys like it. Thank you for being here with us today. If you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and hi.
Yep, do it. It helps us a bunch.
Yes, and we'll see you guys next time.
See ya.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Pow.